Tons of them. This is the perfect weather for ptarmigan hunting. With all that strong sunlight coming in at an angle, you can see those white birds on the snow from way far away. And because it's sunny and there's no wind, the birds will be out in the open instead of hunkered down and hiding. And when you have weather like this, the ptarmigan are always going to be higher up on the mountains. It's warmer the higher up on the mountains you go on sunny, calm days like today. That flock is way up that hill. I don't think they'll let me get close enough to get a shot. I think I'm better off continuing down the trail and see if I can run into some more ptarmigan.